3 social media hacks for small and medium-sized businesses. No budget, no worries. Just pay attention and you will benefit from it greatly. Have you been posting on social media and you don't see any results from it? No sales from it? Then this is your video. Hack 1. The content pillar secret. Stop posting randomly and use the content pillar secret. Content pillars can be themes that you schedule your posts by: education, entertainment, and lifestyle. These are content pillars that you can use to schedule your postings. Education pillar, what does it talk about? You need to send information that educates your followers. Don't just bamboozle them with sales. Buy. It doesn't get results. Educate them. Example, if you're a car user, what are 3 indications that your battery in your car is not working well? Educate your followers. Content pillar number 2, entertainment. Find a nice way of making your followers smile. You must not always be selling to them. Find a way to make them smile, entertain them. There are so many ways to do that now. Go to TikTok, other social media handles, figure out how people are doing it. It's not always selling to them. You can also include ways of entertaining them. It is also relevant to show them your lifestyle. Show a real life example in your postings and in your videos. Your back-end stories can be shared to make you a real being. Hack number 2, timing in posting is everything. If your followers are on social media in the evenings, which is the case in Ghana most often, between 7 and 9 p.m., these are peak times when we have a lot of people on social media in Ghana. If that's the time your followers are on and you are posting in the mornings, you are missing your target. Your post will not fetch you the results you want. Timing is everything. Hack number 2. Hack number 3. Engagement is everything. Social media is a conversation, not a billboard. Billboard is just standing there. It cannot respond to you. So what is expected of you in a conversation? Feedback from your followers. If they react, you need to send them feedback. Spend at least 15 minutes a day responding to your followers. If they like, show them more things that they will like based on their preferences. If they comment, respond to their comments. And that is how you get the trust as a brand that is worthy of buying from on social media. Social media postings alone will not get you anywhere. You need to keep up the conversation with your followers. You don't always need a big budget to grow your social media handles. Smart strategies will help, and beyond technology, we are here to deliver these smart strategies to you. So like, follow us, and enjoy free packages so we grow together. And you can equally grow your following from 1 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 1 million followers. Pick one content pillar this week to try. Schedule 3 posts this week at 8 p.m. Reply to every comment that you get from these 3 posts. Like, follow, subscribe, share to all friends who are small and medium-sized business owners, and let's grow together. As always, your growth partner at Beyond Technology, William Bonny. Thank you.